a real quick one that you can use as a gentle wrist warm-up or as a skill to build up to being able to do a ballistic curl is the Palm Pendulum. And really simply, you want to grip the handle of the mace just below the head of the mace with your palms, okay? So not fingers wrapped round, palms. So you're going to sandwich the mace between your hands, right? And very simply, what you're going to do is begin to rock the tail backwards or side to side. And keep going as far as your wrist mobility allows. Now, for some, it might only be about here. For others, you can get all the way in height. Now, to add to this challenge, what you're going to do is take whatever hand is currently on top during the pendulum and slide it to just tap the tail and come back to the palm position before the mace pendulum's over to the other side, and you'll do the same again. Now note I say slide, not lift and place, slide the hand. So you're always in contact with the mace, and it should look something like this. We build up that pendulum, and eventually we slide, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, and eventually you should be able to get this tap position. Now careful not to push the tail down, because that's just going to make it go faster than you can manage. Just very simply slide, touch, no downward pressure, just let the weight of the mace do the work. And that's going to help teach you that palm control for things like the ballistic curl.